JavaScript folder, JavaScript folder, basic folder. Under the basic folder, open the CMD. Under the basic folder, under the basic folder, click in this address block, type here CMD and enter. Write in this code space dot enter, code space enter. Code space dot enter. VS Code will get open. So this example was the last example, page 7. Here we have written the for loop. Check once. Page 7. Node space. Node space. Page 7. It was printing like this yesterday. Create the next file. Page 8.js. Page 8.js. Console.log. Nested if. Nested if example. /n. Nested if example. Nested if represent a if inside if. A condition inside condition, not condition, just if. What I wrote? Nested for loop I should write. Nested for loop. Nested for loop example. Right below a for loop. Let I equal to 1, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. Console.log I comma outer loop. Outer loop. So it will print 1 to 5. No doubt in that. Let's check once 1 to 5 is printed or not. CLS node space page 8. One to 5 printed. Let's write one more for loop. For let j equal to 1, j less than equal to 3, j plus plus, print inside console.log the j inner loop. After that, console.log /n, just a double line break, /n for double line break. Okay, /n for double line break. Hope written. Now let us run it. CLS page 8, enter. You can see it print like this, but some modification is required. /t you have to write to give some space from the left side. Okay, hope written. Let us save now again. CLS, it print like this. Confirm me once, working or not. Anyone? Right, right. Working. Okay, very good. Now, result you can see here. What is the result? Result is like this. It is printing 1 to 5. Outer loop is 1, outer loop is 2, outer loop is 3, outer loop is 4, outer loop is 5. It's printing 1 to 5, correct? Outer loop is printing 1 to 5. And inner loop is printing 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 1 to 3 everywhere. 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Everywhere you can see it is printing just 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Okay, everywhere it is printing just where to where? 1 to 3 and 1 to 3. Now come here to the code and we have written I equal to 1, I less than equal to 3. We want to make j less than equal to I, j less than equal to I. So inner loop will be depend on outer loop. The inner loop will be fully depend on outer loop. If outer loop is 3, inner loop will run 3 times. If outer loop is 4, inner loop will run 4 times. Okay, let's go next. Working for all. Sequence, how it look? It look like this. Node space, page 8. We can say now. Inner loop is fully based on outer loop. Inner loop is fully based on outer loop. Outer loop is 1, here 1, 2, here 1, 2, 3. Again here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? We can see 1, 2, 3, 4. When outer loop is 1, inner loop is 1. Outer loop is 2, inner loop is also 2. Outer loop is 3, inner loop is also 1 to 3. Outer loop is 4, inner loop is 1 to 4. Outer loop is 5, inner loop is 1 to. Okay. Okay, ready? Next, come to the next example. That is called page 9. Page 9. Page 9.js. In page 9.js, we'll write here do while. Do while how it works. So first we have to do the initialization. Let I equal to something. Is called the initialization. Then we have to write here while condition. Then curly bracket open close. Inside we'll write call statement. Then again either increment or decrement. Depend on need. Come down, write a example. Let I equal to 1 while I less than equal to 6, 7. Console.log I while says I. If leave till here, it will go under the infinite loop. If leave till here, it will go under the infinite loop. I plus plus starting was from the 1. Starting was from the 1. It will go till 7. Once it will reach 7, loop will terminate. Come down. Let us print it, see how it works. CLS command you can run to clear the screen. We'll write here node space, page 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will print all 1 to 7. Save it. We'll see once how it appear. Printing sequence please. Okay, anyone tried? 3 people. Fine. Let's go next. Same file, write example of do while. Console.log /n the do while. Right here, let j equal to 1 do console.log the do says j. Then j plus plus, and at last we have to write the while j less than equal to something 7. So here what will happen is while case, first we have to write the condition, then we have to write the statement in while case. In do while case, first we have to write the statement. You can see here first statement block, later condition block. First statement block, later condition block. First statement, later condition. Check it once. It also print 1 to 7. CLS, page 9. You can see. Do while printing 1 to 7. While loop is also printing 1 to 7. Next, we'll see the difference, where the difference is going to come and how it is going to come. Check this part also. I run this part. Okay, how printing. Now let's go to the while case. In while case, let's keep I equal to 10. Initialization is 10 and condition is up to 7 only. Condition is up to 7. Condition is up to 7, but initialization is 10. Condition is not matching here. Go to the do while case also and write here j equal to 10. Both the places we given 10 and 10. Both the places condition is false. Here also 7, here also 7. Here also I equal to 10, here also I equal to 10. After running now, we need to see what will happen, whether do will print or not, while will print or not. Let's change it and let us see once. Check here. Is 9. Nothing is from the while loop, but do says is a 10. You can see nothing is printing from the while loop, but it says do says is a 10. How it work? You can see while will not allow to go inside if condition is not satisfied. So at this place, condition is not satisfied. While will not allow to go inside at any cost. While will not allow to go inside at any cost. Why? Because condition is not satisfied. In the case of do, what will happen? First, it will execute the statement. First, it will execute the statement. And after execution of the statement, it will check what is the value of j. It will come to know the value of j is 11 and the condition is still 10 only. Then the loop will terminate. Do while never useful. Sometimes you can use the while loop, but not the do while. Sometimes we can use the do while, but not the which one? While loop. Okay, save it. Let's go for the next example. Yes, so hopefully everyone have written. Next file will be till here we have reached do while. Come to this developer guide. In the developer guide, write the next call function in JavaScript. Function in Java script. It's a three type. Let us see what are those three types. Create a file, page 10.js, page 10.js. The first method of JavaScript, that is called regular method. It start like this. It start like this. Function name, curly bracket, console.log, right, the one is working. Right? Complete this function. The one is working. Come down. Write the second way of writing, function writing. We can use the const keyword and we'll write here as a 2 equal to function keyword. This is called an anonymous function, function without name, console.log. The 2 is working. 2 is the 2 is. The third one we have called fat arrow function. Const 3 function keyword will not come. This fat arrow will come. So back my script. Just write here the 3 is. Come down. Let's call the function now. Call the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Save it. Let's run this file. So what we have written, CLS may run the page 10. It works. Function 1, 2, 3, all are working. We will follow the last method. The function 3 we have written. It is based on ECMAScript, modern programming of JavaScript, modern way of writing the function. And we go for next file. Write slowly. We'll work on the next file. There we'll understand what is the use of function. This is the three way of function writing, but what is the actual use? What is the benefit of this? You can follow first method, second method, third method, all three is going to give the result. But benefit, okay? What is the benefit of writing the function in this way? We'll come here, page 11.js. We'll write a function, const print year. Print year. This function is going to print the list of year. Okay, print year. Next, we will write here if for loop let I equal to 2015. I less than equal to 2024. I plus plus console.log the I. After end of the for loop, one more console.log /n the end. After that, /n two times. Okay, so we got the print year. Inside the print year, we got a loop that is going to run 15 to 24. After that, call the function below print year. Print year. This becomes a reusable. We have written the for loop one time. to print the year list 15 to 24. Now same line, we will keep one more time. So the function is going to be reused 3 times. It's called a reusability. So whenever you want to write something reusable, write once and use many times. Better try to use the concept of function. Function concept says like you can write once and you can use it many times, just like ever. Okay, save it, run this page, see how it is working or not. Page 11, you can see it's printed total 3 times. The first loop 15 to 24, second loop 15 to 24, third loop 15 to 24. How many times total? 3 times. Save it and also let me know if you have done. Okay, so 2% is active, remaining are not following. JavaScript still you will not write code, you will not be clear. Okay, moving ahead. Same function, copy and paste in another file. There we will make a function with parameter. Dynamic, based on our need, it will return the list. That is called page 12. Okay, we'll pass the parameter and based on parameter, it will give the result. Paste the same code here. After that, let's receive a parameter here called a start. Another parameter is called end. A start and end, two parameter. A start and end, two parameter. A start and end, two parameter. start and end to parameter. After that, let I equal to a start and let I less than equal to end. And as usual, plus plus. So now in this value is not mentioned how much to how much, where to where. Everything becomes soft code. Everything becomes a dynamic. Start from the certain and go till certain. Come down here. Suppose you start from 10, go till 15. Start from the 20, go till 23. Start from the 100 and go till 120. So first number will go to the start variable. Second number will go to the end variable. And start will be the lower number, end will be the higher number. From lower number to higher number it need to go. It will increase one by one since we are written plus. So this becomes a function with parameter. Function with parameter. And let us check now. What we have written, clear the screen, run this code. Page 12. Node space, page 12. Oh, something went wrong. Page, right? So 1, 10 to 15, second 20 to 23, third 100 to 120. So working perfectly. Yeah, go for next file. This is working for everyone. Hope you have tried. On the page 10, you can copy this three function and paste here. Three ways to write function in JavaScript. Three ways to write a function in JavaScript. This all three, copy and paste here. Write the next point, that is called array. How to write the array in JavaScript? Array, first write one called single dimensional array. Second will come as an object. Next will come nested object. Next will come array of object. So we'll clear this part. Single dimensional array, how it look. Then nested object. After that, array of object. Create the next file, page 13.js, or maybe you can create next array1.js. Array1.js better we can create. Okay, array1.js. Let book list square bracket. Let city list. There are the two syntax to create the array in JavaScript. There are Okay, so created two ways of array. The first one is the most popular. Now write inside the values HTML first element, CSS second element, Bootstrap third element, JavaScript fourth element, PHP fifth element, MySQL sixth element, Node.js seventh element. In the second array also you can add some value. Bangalore as a first element, Pune as a second element, Delhi as a third element, Kolkata fourth element, Mumbai fifth element. So this become the two arrays with the different type of values. The first array hold collection of books. Second array hold collection of city. Now final, the array is collection of similar data. Array is the collection of similar data. Will not say data type because it will take different type also. JavaScript allow to create an array with the different data type as well. So we can say array is the collection of similar data, not the data type. Okay, done. Come down. Let us see how to print the length of the array. Console.log console.log total book book list dot length. Dot length property will help you to find out the length of an array. Dot length property will help us to find out the length of the string also. Total book. Now right below total city. Total city list dot length. City list dot length. One place book list dot length. Another place city list dot length. Save it. We'll run, see how it is. Length is coming or not. Getting the length, we'll see here CLS node space array1. It print total book 7, total city 5. Total book 7 and total city as a 5. Getting the length. Now write here a for loop.
So here, let book list is also array.
Book list, let book list is also array, let city list is also array. In JavaScript, you can create the array using two methods. First and second. Second method is not useful much. First method is most popular.
So why it is more popular than second one?
When it will come array of object, then second method will become complex to handle. When it will come as an object, the second method will be complex to handle. The first method will be easy to convert array to JSON and JSON to array. When we convert from JSON to array and array to JSON to send the data to backend and retrieve from backend, second method will not come in picture. First method will come, so that people use the first method frequently. Right below a for loop. Not for loop. First print the individual element. Write a multi-line comment. If here call structure of array. Structure of array. Array name. Index. After that element. Next, what is the array name? Let's take the book list. In book list on 0 position, you will get the value as HTML. Similar way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second position is called CSS. Third is Bootstrap. Fourth one is JavaScript. Fifth will be PHP. Sixth is called MySQL. Seventh is called, yes, change here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remove the last value. आज भी आपने बोला जावास्क्रिप्ट की क्लास स्टार्ट करो 5 बजे अभी वहीं पढ़ा रहे हैं ना हाँ नहीं तो यहाँ पे कोई आएगा तब ये लोग जूम में है ऑनलाइन ऑनलाइन वाले लोग जूम में रहते हैं बुक लिस्ट ऑफ 0 console.log print the 0 position console.log print the length minus one position. That is called sixth. It will give you both the value, first and last. Let us check it. Is it printing or not? Okay, printing. First value is which one? CSS, and last value is Node. So we can check here. Array1, first value is HTML and last value is Node.js. Zero position is HTML and the last position is which one? Node.js. The last position value you can print in this way. That is the right syntax. Book list dot length minus one. Book list dot length minus one. Book list dot length minus one. Printing both the value. CLS node space array1. You can see Node.js is printing last value. HTML Node.js. Both the value is printed. Right. Okay, then we'll see you tomorrow.